Doves, doves. Everywhere you look, there's doves. There we go. Come here, baby. Meat. I think doves were put on this planet, quite frankly, to keep ammunition companies in business. They are humbling. Or not. And we had high wind conditions here, which means you get one good shot at them before they finally catch the wind and become impossible to hit. Coming and going, doves everywhere. You know, it's an amazing bird, these doves. Prolific as heck. Challenging birds. You put them in a wind like this, you just don't know what you're going to get. You're going to get all sorts of... Whoa! Oh, it's fun. Get them with a tailwind like that. Try about a 10-foot lead with a 28 gauge, 40, 50 yards out. That's fun.
There we go. Yes. Woo! Come on.
The dove hunting. What can you say about South American dove hunting?
Nice shot. I do say so myself.
I've been a few places in the world hunting birds. I've hunted them in Africa. I've shot doves in Africa. I've shot doves in Mexico. And these are phenomenal places. But then you'll come to South America and they are like mosquitoes swarming in. I mean, I don't know how to explain this to somebody who hasn't done it.
Wait, oops, I gotta defend myself here. Oh. There we go.
You stand out there and it's really just as fast as you can load the gun. I mean, your gun barrels get literally hot.
You literally have to wear gloves to hold on to your gun. It gets that hot from that much shooting. It's crazy. There we go.
The dove shooting exceeded my expectations. You know, you see the pictures, you hear the stories, you watch the videos of just wave after wave of doves, and until you can actually experience it, it's something to behold. I mean, it was really a treat and an additional bonus as well. Again, from the same lodge to be 15 minutes away. Got bean, hot fly, center field. And they move fast with that wind. This is everything I heard it ever was. Lots of action, tons of doves. Wind's blowing heavy that way, so few that shoot that way are really screaming with the wind. The rest of them are dodging in and out. This is unbelievable, something you have to do in your lifetime.
Oh, here we go, right here. Yeah, that works. This is just an absolute riot, you know? Come down here, wear out a shotgun. I mean, it's just pure fun. Talk about getting your groove on. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing.
I feel like you're being attacked.
This is the last line of defense right here. Here we go.
There's tens of millions of these things. Very little hunting pressure, just the foreign sports that come down, and that's about it. It's really the ultimate renewable resource.
All right, whistle.
We got a pair of whistles.
No, we got a group coming.
I'll take the left.
Yes,
I'll take the right.
I'm going to take both your spots.
I'm going to take them all. Take them.
Beretta's Waterfowler's Edge is brought to you by Dallas Safari Club. More than a club, a way of life. Loophole Optics, America's optics authority. Cannon Safes. Nothing protects like a cannon. Delta Waterfowl, the future of ducks and duck hunting. And by Final Approach, the Waterfowlers Company.
Beautiful. There's absolutely no place like Argentina when it comes to wing shooting. There goes he go right there. Get him. There's just nothing about Argentina that's rivaled anywhere in the world in terms of volume, in terms of diversity. Truly, the finest days of wing shooting anywhere in the world are found right now in Argentina. Nice.
Right here. Wait for the big flock.
Wait for the big flock.
Yeah.
Take you.
I'll take the left.
Yes,
Right.
I'm going to take both your spots.
I'm going to take them all. Take them.
Double. Ah! Couldn't get the triple.
Nice.
You claiming my bird again?
Nice way to start.
We got a group coming.
Let's look at this. If you're a waterfowler, it's that moment of these ducks are committed. They're coming now, they're cupped up, they're banking, they're coming to your decoys. Pure waterfowling magic.
Go, Willie, go.
Get him, guys. Get him. Get him. Oh! Nice
Willie
done,
Smith.
Willie. Way to go,
Does
man.
feel like duck hunting.
Good shooting.
Sweet. Stay.
Take him. Perfect. I think what really surprises most waterfowlers when they come to Argentina is, of course, the sheer volume of birds. Coming this way, boys. It's sort of an endless group of ducks, one after another, coming at you. All sorts of ducks from all points in the horizon coming to your blind and crossing, decoying. And yet it's really the diversity, I think, that people go away with and say, my God, we shot 11 different species in 3 days, and that's very doable.
More coming in.
Three to the right, coming down. One for each of us. Take them out.
You know, they always say about Africa, you start planning your second trip when you're heading back home from your first trip. I'm thinking that way about Argentina. I'm definitely going to come back, be planning that in the next 2 or 3 years. And I don't think I'd go anywhere else other than Carlos's establishment. This place, top notch, and treats you very, very well. And again, being able to hunt all the species right out the back door is an added bonus.
Who doesn't love this? Come on, how could you not love this?
You know what I take away from this hunt is how similar we are across the world. You know, it might be different cultures, might be different people, but you realize we're all the same. We love this wildlife. We love the interplay with it. We love hunting it. We love the conservation of it. We're dedicated, and you can go across the world and find the same people anywhere. And the people come to here from all over the world. And I think taking back this time is not just the experience of the new hunt and the new birds, but just the recognition that there's sort of a kindred feeling amongst all of us that runs through us. And it's great. It's a big, big, small, small world.